It's got two boxes today, Upper Deck Black and Leaf Limited to bust. I opened a box of Gridiron Gear 09 yesterday. Here's what I got. Stafford jersey, 250. Crabtree jersey, ball jersey, number to 50. It was a pretty good box. I got 4 hits in it. LaShawn McCoy, 4-color patch, number to 50. And then a nice Mike Wallace pull-out auto for the PC, number to 100. So that was in the Gridiron Gear yesterday. I'll do the limited in this video, and then I'll stop and do the black in another video. So here we go. Did he open this again? Alright, 2 thick ones. Okay. Alright. Got a Reggie Wayne, number to 399. Mike Turner, 399. Willie Brown, wow. Look at that, Jim Brown autograph, number to 50. Sweet. Very nice. Rhett Bomar jersey, number to 50. And Peyton Manning, number to 50. Alright, stay tuned for black. Peace.